Hi, my name is Akhil Sai Patel. I am from Aeronautical Engineering. My topic is about a explanation of practical application of graph data structure in the real life social graphs. What is a graph? Graph is a nonlinear data structure containing the vertex and edges. Edges may be directed or indirected. Like I shown in this figure, the vertex is which is connected by the two edges, and the vertex is the fixed point. Applications in real time and computer field. In real time, transport network vertex in road network, vertex are intersections, edges the road segment between intersections. By using Google Maps, Bingo Maps, and now Apple SOS 9 maps for map programming. This is for the Google Maps for the graph. Like it is a map of a colony which have some places. Like we connected these colonies by edges, and the root segments are the colonies are a vertex and the root segments are the edges. Represent of molecular structure, we can also represent the graph in molecular structures. Like vertex are the molecules and the edges are the bond between the molecules. These are the representation of the graph in a molecular structure. Like in this propane, carbon is a vertex and the hydrogen which are bonded to the carbon are the edges. Map coloring. Famous four color theorem asserts that it is always possible to properly color the region of the map such that no two adjacent regions are assigned the same color. Use the most four distinct colors. Like in this graph we have different, there are only four colors like red, blue, green and yellow, but these four colors are not in adjacent. Like the red, in beside of red there is blue and yellow and green, not the red color is at the adjacent of the red. So by using the famous four color theorem we can do map coloring. This is a Indian map which have the colors, but the no two adjacent state does not have the same color. Like the Jammu Kashmir have the green color and the beside state which have pink and blue colors. And another example is third codage problem. The three codage problems is a well-known mathematical puzzle. It can be stand like this: three codage of a panel or a sphere and which need to be connected to the gas, water and the electric companies. Like a house which have planar graph. In a house we need to connect electricity and gas and the water, in which the aim of this game is to connect all three of these water, electricity and gas which are not crossing any lines. In this way we have to connect the lines of this water, electricity and gas. Like I shown in this figure, we can see properly that no two lines are crossing each other, and they are arranged in a proper way that all are supplied to the three houses. Graph center. For each vertex, find the length of shortest part of the further vertex. Center of the graph is a vertex for which this value is minimal. Hospital, a fire department or a police department should be placed in a city so that faster point is closer as possible. Like in a town, we have different requirements like hospital, fire department and the police department, which are very crucially important for the people. So in this by this graph technique we can arrange them in a closer to path, but which are also in a far distance. They are at a far distance but they can come in a closer time, which can prevent any damage to the people. Like I said, which I like, the graph is shown Shortest path. Consider some community stations for telecom, table, television, internet, etc., and a list of possible connections between them having different costs. Find the cheapest way to connect these stations in a network. This may be used for example to connect village to cable network or to internet. The same problem, but instead of connecting communication stations, village has to be connected with roads. Like this is all about the graph system. When a village is far from a city, we cannot directly connect the cable network or something which the people want, but we can connect them by using the the, the connected roads. Travel travel scaleman problem. A scaleman has to visit a number of cities to deliver items. What is the shortest route that to connect the cities? Like we have Zomato and Swiggy. There are so many orders from the orders. How they came in time? They use map, the graphing system of data structure, which is used for them to choose a closed path to reach their delivery. Airline network. The airline network also use this graph system to go in a quick time. Graph theory is already utilized in flight networks. Airlines want to connect countless cities in the most efficient way, moving the most passengers with the fewer possible trips. Like I say, when we need time we need time efficiency systems which are useful for us, which can reduce our time. By this graph system we can reduce the airline time by the people which can travel through this, they can go in time. Computer field. Use GPS, Google Maps to find a route based on the shortest route. Finding shortest route in car navigation system. This is also based upon the graph system only. When we open a Google map from Secunderabad to our Dundikal IRA college, we when we open a Google map, it will show a shortest distance, which can show two or many routes, but it also shows shortest distance by using the graph system. Minimizing connecting in IC. In integrated circuits consist of millions of transistors which need to connect. It is impossible to optimize these countless connections to improve the performance of the chip. We need to optimize the connections between the chips, each chips of these transistors, so which can perform well and give best output. Computer network. Graph theory is used in all type of topology for configure network, vertex, each device, router, etc., edges connected between the devices. Like I said, in a map, cities and towns are the edges and the road which is connected between them are the edges. So when a computer is, like as shown in this figure, there are six computers which are placed in different directions, but they are connected through a line which is called as the edges in the graph system, and these computers are the vertices. Digital graph. Document like graphs. The best known example is the link graph of a web. This is the best example for the digital graphs. Like vertex is the web page, directed edge, hyperlink. Google, any page that is very good will have many other pages linked in it. Pages that are readily visited or not very interesting will be very lonely in the internet graph. This give a way to rank website and allow Google to display the best result at the beginning. Like when we choose when we search a link in a Google, it will show very faster than that when we type it once in a week or anything. Database for representing entire relationship diagram in the database for representing dependence of tables in the database. Like in computer there are the memory will store in different directions. All these were connected by these edges, and the data are the vertex of this graph. In social network, connecting with friends on social media where each user is vertex and then other connected the create an edge. For like the social network likes Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, we are the edge, we are the vertices and the edges are the connecting between them, which will connect our communication. And thank you. Thank you. This is Amal Council video.